Hello, I hope everyone's doing well, and at the time of recording, it is Chinese New Year, so happy Year of the Tiger to everyone. Today we'll be doing a quick overview of a quote-unquote new switch from Gateron, the Oil Kings. These are a linear switch with a nylon top, POM stem, and a bottom housing from essentially a black ink. This is a pretty heavy switch, in my opinion, since it has a 55-gram actuation and a whopping 80-gram bottom out. One note compared to the Ink V2s that I previously had was the leaf spring moving, and I'm happy to say that on these Oil Kings, they aren't really going anywhere. So the main thing I wanted to point out for these switches are the factory lubing. Gateron says these use an improved factory lubing application, and some like Thermogoat praise Gateron for their lubing, while others have had inconsistencies switch to switch. I'm happy to say that for the 75 that I have, they're all lubed pretty consistently with no noticeable switches being over or under lubed. In terms of potentially using these as Frankenswitches down the line, the bottom housing can accept any top housing from Cherry, JWK, Kale, so long as they have the tabs to support the leaf spring. The caveat to this is if you're feeling spicy, you can probably get away with using a top from Texi, since those don't have the leaf spring support, but there's a good chance that the switch will still just be fine. After using these switches for a few days, apart from how heavy they are, the Gateron Oil Kings are pretty smooth and don't really have a noticeable scratch to them. Personally, I feel like the loop job is a tad bit light, but that's kind of just nitpicking. These are a pretty deep switch in line with typical black ink acoustics, and I'll play a sound test shortly and you can let me know your thoughts down below on whether you like it or not too. Thanks, and have a good one. Bye.